Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Some days feel so busy that even preparing a simple meal can seem difficult, especially when work, school, chores and daily responsibilities start piling up all at once. During moments like these, having a quick, delicious and filling recipe can make life so much easier. One of the best meals you can prepare in just a few minutes is a quick tuna sandwich. It is simple, affordable, satisfying, and perfect for breakfast, lunch, snacks, or even a light dinner. A tuna sandwich is also one of those comforting meals that almost everyone enjoys because it combines soft bread, flavorful tuna, creamy ingredients, and fresh vegetables into one easy-to-eat meal. Today, we are going to make a quick tuna sandwich that is perfect for busy days when you want something tasty without spending too much time in the kitchen. The great thing about tuna sandwiches is that they require very simple ingredients that are usually already available at home. You do not need expensive equipment or advanced cooking skills to make one. Even beginners can prepare this recipe easily. Tuna is also a very practical ingredient because canned tuna lasts a long time in the pantry and can quickly become part of many different meals. It is rich in protein, easy to prepare, and pairs well with many flavors. For busy people, students, office workers, and parents, canned tuna can truly be a lifesaver during hectic days. To begin making this quick tuna sandwich, prepare your ingredients first so everything will be easy to assemble later. You will need canned tuna, bread slices, mayonnaise, chopped onions, black pepper, and a little salt if needed. Some people also like adding chopped celery, cucumber, lettuce, tomatoes, or cheese to give extra texture and flavor. One of the best things about sandwiches is that you can customize them according to your taste and whatever ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Simple recipes become even more enjoyable when you can add your own personal touch. Start by opening the canned tuna carefully and draining the excess liquid. Draining the liquid helps prevent the sandwich filling from becoming too watery. Place the tuna into a mixing bowl and gently separate the chunks using a fork. The soft texture of tuna makes it very easy to mix with other ingredients. Next, add mayonnaise into the bowl. The mayonnaise gives the filling a creamy texture and helps blend all the flavors together. Add chopped onions for a slightly crunchy texture and a stronger flavor that balances the creaminess of the mayonnaise. Sprinkle a little black pepper for seasoning. Some people also like adding a squeeze of lemon juice to brighten the flavor and make the filling taste fresher. Once all the ingredients are added into the bowl, begin mixing everything slowly and thoroughly until the tuna filling becomes creamy, smooth, and evenly combined. Use a fork or spoon to gently break apart the tuna chunks while blending the mayonnaise, onions, and seasonings together. As the ingredients combine, the filling should develop a rich and soft texture that spreads easily onto the bread. Mixing properly is important because it ensures every bite of the sandwich has balanced flavor and consistent texture. You do not want some parts to taste too salty while other parts remain plain. A well-mixed filling creates a much more enjoyable sandwich experience. While stirring, pay close attention to the texture of the mixture. The tuna filling should not be too dry because dry filling can make the sandwich feel bland and crumbly when eaten. At the same time, it should not be overly wet or watery because excess moisture can quickly soak into the bread and make the sandwich messy and soggy. The goal is to achieve a balanced, creamy texture that holds together nicely without dripping. If the filling feels too dry, you can add a small spoonful of mayonnaise little by little until the texture becomes smoother. If the mixture feels too wet, adding a little more tuna or finely chopped vegetables can help absorb some of the moisture. The tuna mixture is now ready, creamy and well seasoned, making it perfect for assembling into a delicious sandwich that is both filling and easy to enjoy on busy days. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.